Okay, welcome back to part 3 of the ReGen-X quantum motor, ReGen-X quantum generator, and in this video we're basically just calculating the increase in rotational kinetic energy of our ReGen-X motor and generator. We're calculating the increase of kinetic energy with zero externally supplied input energy. So the amount of kinetic energy increase at infinite efficiency for both the motor and generator. So the rotational kinetic energy is 1/2 the rotational inertia times the angular velocity, and here we have all the data at our initial speed of 3,338 RPM. The rotational kinetic energy in our system was 4,028.7 joules. The ReGen-X generator increased the kinetic energy of the system by 125.4 joules with zero supplied external energy at infinite efficiency, and the ReGen-X quantum motor increased the kinetic energy of the system by 362 joules, again at infinite efficiency with zero externally supplied input power, while harvesting subatomic electron energy. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and cheers.